Everyone, my name is Bayu Putra Pratama and my student ID is 2341192. Today, I'm going to present a topic that plays a crucial role in research methodology, sampling technique. In this presentation, I will explain what sampling is, why the important difference of sampling technique, and how research shows this right sampling method for their study. So let's begin. What is the difference between population and sample? Yes, population, the entry set of objects that are the focus of a study, and sample, a subset of the population that represents the entry group. Why conduct sampling? In quantitative research, researchers usually do not observe the entry population census because the population is too large, making a full study impractical due to research limitation, personnel cost time. Observing the entry population can be a waste of research. Studying a sampling allows research to focus on data quality and more precise variable measurement. In quality research, sampling is important to obtain right, detailed, and in-depth information for a small number of respondents who can deep understand the observasi phenomenon. Simpelnya adalah sampling adalah bagaimana cara kita bisa membagi dari memperkecilkan lagi yang namanya populasi, sehingga kita bisa mencari tahu apa saja yang kita butuhkan dalam sampling nantinya. Jadi di sampling itu kita akan merupakan mengerucut lebih detail lagi yang akan kita cari respondennya. Sampling design. Research method can be qualitative or quantitative. Nah, jadi di sampling ini ada metode kualitatif dan juga kuantitatif. The design in determine the research objective and data collection method, such as experimental study, structure, questionnaire survey, focus group discussion, in-depth interview, participant observation. The design also dependent of analysis method and estimate parameter. Jadi untuk menentukan suatu sampling itu bisa dengan berbagai cara, seperti experimental study, kemudian bisa structural questionnaire survey. Nah, ini adalah salah satu yang sangat sering digunakan dalam menentukan suatu sampling dalam metodologi penelitian. Sampling methodology. Ya, kita belum tahu apa sih kuantitatif and apa sih kualitatif. Quantitative research aim to obtain a representative sample so the finding and statistic can be generated the population. This is achieved using a combination of probability and non-probability purpose methodology. And qualitative research aim to obtain sample and case that provide a comprehensive understanding of the phenomena being studied. It tends of the purpose sampling, such selection key information. Jadi kalau kuantitatif itu lebih ke population, sedangkan kualitatif itu adalah sample atau case atau permasalahan. Sampling design categories. Probability sampling and non-probability. Yes, probability sampling subject selection randomly sample random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, and non-probability sampling. Subjects select based and specific criteria. Convenience incidental sampling, purpose sampling, quota sampling, snowball sampling, K-informant. Sample size in quantitative research. Sample size affect the accuracy of estimating population characteristic but does no determinant research fidelity. An ideal sample should not to be large and too small. Increasing sample size only reduce random error but does not reduce systematic error. Statistical formula for sample size are not absolute but should consider ethical, financial, and time constraints. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. That's conclusion my presentation on sampling technical. To summarize, choosing the right sampling method is essential for obtaining accurate and reliable research results. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question for the column commenter, and thank you very much. Bye.